Happy New Year, reception. I hope you're all well and I hope you all managed to have a nice, restful break with your families over the holidays. We're back to home learning for the next 2 weeks. So I thought we'd start by having a go at making our own instrument. And the instrument that we're going to try to make is called a castanet. This is what a castanet looks like, and it's a Spanish instrument. And the way that you usually play it is by putting it in one hand and tapping the two bits of wood together to make the sound. Now, the one that we're going to make is not going to really look like a castanet, but it is going to make a similar sound in that we're going to be tapping two bottle tops together to make the rhythmic sound. So you're going to need 2 bottle tops. I got these from my milk bottles, so 2. And then you just need to find a piece of cardboard. This is from my recycling, just an old bit of cardboard. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut a strip of card, and I'll show you how long, not that long. Maybe if I do it, it will make more sense. So I'm going to cut it down the middle, like this. So you're going to end up with a strip that looks a bit like this. And then you're going to fold it in half, like that. Okay, so that's going to be the basis of our castanet. So before we do anything else, we're going to decorate it. So just one side of the castanet, so decide which bit you're going to decorate. I'm going to do it very quickly, but you might want to take your time. You might want to stick things to it. You might want to use glitter. You might just want to use crayon or colouring pencils, colouring pens, paint, whatever you like. It's completely up to you to decorate your instrument. So I'm going to do it really quickly. I'm not going to spend too long on it. So I'm going to colour it in red and put some other colours. Maybe some green. Maybe 2 more colours for me. Orange. And maybe black. So I've done it very quickly for this video, but you might want to spend much longer on it to really do your very best at decorating it. So now on the other side, what we're going to do is we're going to sellotape to our 2 lids. Okay, so I'm going to get my sellotape. Hopefully you can see this here. I'm going to sellotape it to my cardboard. Here's my sellotape. So that's on one end. There we go. Now, when we fold it over, it should make a sound when we tap them together. Now, I'm doing it with one hand, but that's quite tricky because my one's fairly big. So you can use 2 hands. Kind of looks like a crocodile, doesn't it? So maybe you might want to decorate yours to look like a crocodile. It's completely up to you. So there you have it, our own castanet that we've made. And perhaps next week, we can use our homemade instrument to play some music together, which will be quite fun. So there you go. Thank you for those of you that joined me for today's video, and I hope to see you, well, I hope that you will see me next week. Bye bye, reception.